Okay, quick morning radar update. So let's just go through this post-election update. We've had a swing in the account. We're back positive on the week, through all-time highs. Been a pretty steady rising period over the last month or so. So it's been pretty good for us. Trend model, near on full bull. Probably is going to be full, as close to full bull as it ever gets on tomorrow's update. Invested 54%. I'm actually slightly more than that because I'm on the gas and I've got swing trades running in the background as well. So I'm probably around 70% invested. Heat overload, none. Available heat, 1.3, so I can add some more trades. Would like to see some trail and add points over the next few weeks. That would be fantastic. Win rate, 92%. That's just because we've got one trade on the board. What's negative? Probably. I don't even know what that is, thinking about it. What is negative in the account at the moment? Not sure. Maybe I am sure. But so that is not a closed win rate. That's open trade. This is all open trades. This is how the portfolio is running right now. Ignore the yield because I haven't inputted all the yields. So 11.37 are on the table. Fantastic. Moving on from that. Same again, let's go through a few of our trades we've taken over the last, this one we took quite a long time ago. Top right hand side. Top right hand side. All trades should be top right hand side of the screen if you're trend following. Sometimes you'll be in somewhat a basing and they'll be mid right of the screen. But VLX was basically a good demonstration of that. So we nibbled at this here, so we're hoping we're going to see this move up over the sort of next few weeks. Top right hand side of the screen. Top right hand side of the screen. Oh, we could go on all day, couldn't we? Some pretty good sort of trades out there at the moment. I've got 13 base trades running, trend trades. So I won't go through them all. Let's just quickly have a look at the markets. I think we're just going to have to go. Let's go to the commodities first and just say Brent. There's a possibility it's trying to find a bit of life, but no, it's just, since it broke trend, it just became wide and loose, and it is tightening up. But it's kind of not in play, is it? Gold, we've been watching this thing pull back forever and a day. That, taking profit on gold was a good thing to do. It's a huge 11% trade in my account. It made a 20% move. Now for gold, that's a big move. As we saw in yesterday's or Wednesday's end of day screening, we're starting to see gold stocks again. Doesn't mean they'll. There were a few triggers actually, but if you need gold in your life, there are ones out there. Let's just move over to currencies. Let's just have a look at this big move up. We was watching this little mini base. Not a tradable sort of low risk idea in any way coming into an election, was it? The way I see this is the next time it comes down into sort of mid trend, it could be for those who like to trade the currencies, the reward to risk is not found here. It's found on the pullback of efficient markets. TLT, we went fully bearish on this big extended move up here. Where is it now? It's come back in. It broke trend. It's looking weak. Let's just go through quick look through the indices. Transports, the leader, hand in hand with the DAX. Obviously, we've got a lot of election noise. You know, the US was already decided it was going higher on a bit of China news. We knew highs without pullback, basically. So there'll be a lot of top callers out there again. This is where we want the money to flow to. We want. Well, look at that new all-time high on the 250. We want money to flow into this area now, and as if by magic, you know, this market could come alive. Let's just go on the all share and let's just say, this one trades a bit wild, like the FTSE 100, to be honest. Digestion will happen, especially in stocks what have gapped. It will be hard pinpointing the ones what are just going to melt higher with no pullback. With gaps throughout the whole market, you know, I'm looking to add to find small caps, emerging small caps, add to small caps, add to my positions I'm in. I'll go through the GTRS, look for the best growth stocks. That's where my focus is. Ones what can make extended moves. And when we do get the swing market, you know, end of day, we might see a few possible swing points and that tonight, but I'll just keep jumping through that hoop, and when they're there, I will take them. So, you know, happy days at the moment. Fantastic push up through all-time highs for the trends. Swings have already took it through all-time highs, so lost a couple of the swings this morning, but the opposite side of those swings, more than the other swings going in the opposite direction, more than made up for it by a long shot as well. So that's this morning's post-election radar update. I'll move straight on to the volume leaders next. Okay. For more ShareScope tutorials, follow the link on the left. If you have any tutorial requests, drop them in the comments below. If you're thinking of trying ShareScope, there's a link below this video to get an extra month free. And don't forget to hit the subscribe.